Hey,
Huh?
what's up? I was trying to shake your hand. What's up?
What doing?
Know what you was doing?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Hey, you want a surprise?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Go up.
No.
The other one.
Oh,
This one right here.
over here.
Yeah, make it go up. Make it go. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, that's right. All right, make it come back.
Wait.
Want me to dry mine?
Yeah.
Oh! Get it on my tie.
Oh.
My tie broke.
That
You see that?
one. Yeah.
Watch this. Oh, my tie. Oh, we gotta fix it.
That picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bigger car.
Let me see your tie.
It's a wheel. It's a real boy. Wait.
You see it?
Yeah.
You know what we need to fix it?
Picture.
Say what we need, Dad.
We need that.
We need a screwdriver.
Oh, do
You
that.
see this right here?
Yeah.
It's a screw.
Yeah,
Oh, I
you.
dropped it.
Oh, that.
See the screw?
Yeah.
Show them the screw.
You
Here,
do
hold
right
it.
here.
Hold it.
Wait.
Show the camera. Let them see it. Hold it up.
Oh, yeah.
Screw.
Two.
Yeah.
Yeah, two.
Screw go right here.
Yeah, two right here.
See where your screw go?
Yeah.
Let me see it. It go right there, okay?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
So you're gonna put your wheel back in the hole right there.
Yeah, hold right there.
Come on, stand right here so they can see you. Come on. Stand up here so they can see you. Stand right there. See?
Yeah.
Alright, so you get the wheel,
Yeah.
you gotta put it back in the hole right there.
Yeah, here.
Okay. Alright, now drop the screwdriver in the hole.
Alright.
He gotta put the screwdriver right there, y'all.
Alright.
Alright. I said the screwdriver, the screw. Then he gonna use the screwdriver to tighten it up.
Yeah.
See? Y'all look, he just put it in there. Good job.
Not working.
Yeah, broken. Alright. This is a pack of screwdrivers.
Yeah, do
These
that.
real like tiny screwdrivers I use now I can use the fix KB car. Also use it like when I be fixing stuff on my PS4. You know,
In the play game.
split, small
In the
screwdrivers.
play game. In the play game.
Alright, this should do the trick, okay?
Oh,
Smallest screwdriver.
yeah, got it.
Hey, before you use these, you let me know, okay?
That one?
Yeah, before you use them, you gotta let me know.
Alright.
Alright, here, we're gonna use this one.
Alright.
We have to tighten it up right there.
That one?
Yeah, twist it. He started twisting it before I said something on the sleep. Good job. You gonna see it now?
Yeah.
Alright, twist it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, okay?
Okay.
When you do it to the right, you tighten it up.
Yeah.
You do it to the left, you loosen it up.
Yeah.
Say righty tighty,
Right tire?
lefty loosey.
Nothing nothing.
Yep. Twist it.
Wait.
Let me help you.
Not that one. I use that one?
No, put it back.
Okay, back. There. I use that one? Momo.
There,
That
there.
one? That one?
No, close it up. We got one already.
Oh.
Come see about your tie. See? Tightened up.
Yes, I do.
Might have to hold it.
I'm holding.
Oh, okay, this might be stripped. If it's stripped, gonna have a whole nother problem, okay?
Yeah.
Might be good. You got it on there? Let's see if you run, okay?
Wait.
Here, drive it.
Daddy?
Let me turn it back on.
I'll go back on.
Here, drive it to make sure it works. Go up. Try that one. Make sure it works. Go.
Hey, where's one? Oh, it's short.
Yep. We fixed it, Kate.
Fix it?
Yeah, we fixed it.
We are already short. Hey, where's one? That's it.
I got it.
Oh.
You want that one? Give me one. You give me this card back. Drive yours. Ready? Want to race?
Yeah.
You ready? On your mark, set, go.
Go.
Oh! Okay. Look.
No.
You gotta always look.
No.
Look at the screwdriver.
You
Gotta always make sure you put it back in the bag, okay?
Okay.
Because they small, you don't want to lose them, all right?
Okay.
All right, tell them bye-bye. You'll see them later.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.